this person just told me how to do this thing. It was a cat thing, and I tried to do it on something else. I just drew a cat, and I want to show you something funny. When I was just scrolling, and then I saw like a satisfying thing. You see it. This doesn't work. Yeah, this works. This one. This also works. Yeah, this one is the funniest thing. I do not know what this is. That cat also misses a place. And also, like, it doesn't even work too. So, after all of this, I tried to do a dog. I tried dog, and now let's see what to pop. It's like a paw.
I'm a potato.
You're a tomato.
Dog paw.
Potato.
No.
It didn't work so much.
I'm a potato.
I tried bird. I only tried bird and cow, and it didn't really. I have no idea why I chose cow. Is there anything else? Wait, is there a
This cow is
sheep?
all
There.
despite her sudden excitement. She's very deaf.
By the way, my voice is not loud. By the way, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Share this to anyone if they don't know it. And the dog. Because I don't really know the dog.